Gary Morris, Associate Chef for the Meat and Veg Company London, and this is Cooking with Kids. Firstly, let me start by introducing you to our cast. First up is the Angry Chicken. Second, we've got the Pesky Pig. Third, we have our Crafty Cow. Fourth is our Larry Lamb.
My name is Summer and I'm 7 years old, and I like Crafty Cow because I like to craft as well.
I'd like to welcome Summer for our first ever video today for the Meat and Veg Company London. Could you tell me, Summer, what is your favourite food?
My favourite food is Chinese.
Okay, and what meat do you like?
Chicken.
Chicken, excellent, okay. So if it's chicken and Chinese, we need to ask our Angry Chicken to see what he has for us to cook today. And in his repertoire, I believe he has an excellent chicken in black bean sauce. And we can find that recipe online at themeatandvegco.com. And they look just like this. How to dice an onion. So first we're going to take the top off, do not tail, because if you tail it will fall apart. Just like that. Now we need to dice our pepper, so we just, in half, we de-seed, and we take out any of this that we don't want. In half again, and then simply nice chunky green pepper. Now we can slice our carrot. Remember, this is pre-peeled. Well, you need to pre-peel this before we start. So the first thing we need to worry about, Summer, is that we are safe and we are not hurting each other. So therefore, I've done all the prep for you, and you're just going to help me cook. Okay? Okay? Right, so we're going to heat our pan up. Not too hot because we'll burn. And we want a little bit of that, please. Just give me a couple of squirts in that pan. That's it. Another one. Perfect. Now listen for that hiss. Can we hear it? Yeah, right. Now we can get that chicken and just pop that really gently into that pan, and be very careful not to burn yourself. That's it. Good there. That's it. Put that in. Don't be scared of it. Don't be scared. That's it. This chicken has been marinated in soy sauce, garlic, just for a few hours. So now we're just going to move that around a little bit. So we've got to this stage now where we've literally just turned the chicken. So it's nearly cooking. It's not there yet. So now, Summer, could you grab me the onions?
Yeah.
And gently put those into that pan. Very gently, please. Yeah. Very, very good. And do the same with the carrots, please. Very, very good. And again, we're just going to saute that. Turn your pan down a little bit. Saute that. Now we're aiming not to get too much colour on any vegetables or onto your chicken here. So next, Summer, can you get me green peppers, please? And just pop them straight in that pan. Excellent, thank you. So now we're going to saute this for a few minutes. So Summer, these onions, when they're ready, they will become translucent, which is see-through, like a window.
Yeah.
Okay? And this is very, very healthy dish. Can you tell me why?
Because it's got vegetables in it.
Excellent, yes, fresh vegetables. Fresh vegetables and chicken. Chicken's very good for our muscles, isn't it?
Yeah.
Makes our muscles very big and strong.
Mhm.
Excellent, that's beautiful, isn't it? That smells nice. You should be able to smell all your vegetables,
Smell the pepper.
your peppers, yeah. What else can you smell?
Carrots.
Carrots.
Chicken.
Oh, smells good, doesn't it? Right, so now we're at this stage. We're ready for a bit of sauce. So if you want to grab your black bean sauce there, Summer, and just add a little bit of black bean sauce into there for me. Keep going, I'll tell you when. Beautiful. Now keep going, keep going. Keep going, more. Excellent. So now what we want to do is we want to just extend the sauce with a little bit of water. We do this because a lot of Chinese sauces are very, very concentrated.
And strong.
Very strong indeed, that's correct. So now all we're going to do is we're literally going to add a little bit of water in there just to basically mellow the flavour out, and then thicken with a little bit of corn flour. And that is your chicken in black bean. Okay, see there, that's our lovely chicken in black bean cooking away there in that pot. So Summer, what do you want with your chicken in black bean?
Rice.
Rice. Okay, so just the plain rice?
No.
No, of course not. It wouldn't be that easy, would it? Okay then, so what should we do then?
Put egg in our rice.
You want some egg fried rice. Okay then, so you can start. We've just got ourselves a convenience rice there that you buy from the supermarket. Or you know, cook your own and make sure you cool it down to stir fry. So now we're going to start our pan up. You're going to go break that egg for me, darling. Into there. That's it, break that, and then I want you to just whip that up a little bit for me. Okay. Excellent, I'll take that off you. Excellent, as you say, yeah. That's it, now beat that for me. And then we're just going to put a little bit of oil in the pan like that. And we'll start our rice off first. So I'm going to put that in the pan while you're doing that. Get that rice nice and hot. Okay, so I've just changed the black bean into another pan so we can start frying. Whisk the egg for me, beautiful. Right now, this egg, as it's going to be an egg fried rice, we're just going to stick a little bit of soy sauce in there just for seasoning. Not too much, couple of drops is fine. So we've got our rice up to temperature. We'll get in there. A little bit of spring onion can go in there. Can I have my egg going in there now, please? Excellent. As soon as that egg goes in, just go at it like that. Beautifully, beautifully like that. Look at that, Summer. What does that look like? Does that look good? And I like a little bit of chilli. Summer likes a little bit of chilli too. And fantastic. Now that'll be your egg fried rice ready. Now we're ready to just
Dish up.
and eat. Excellent. Yeah, so we've got Summer's favourite little bowl here, and we are going to dish up our lovely chicken in black bean with egg fried rice, which is all part of the Angry Chickens repertoire, isn't it, Summer?
Yeah.
So egg fried rice in there like that, beautiful. Look at that. Okay, and then we get a little bit of our chicken in black bean, just like that, on there like that. Look at that. And always finish it with a nice sprinkle and a nice lime. Enjoy. So, well done, Summer. Excellent cooking today. So Summer's journey to wellness started today with
The Meat and Veg Company